Philips DreamWear Silicone Pillows Mask is easy to adjust and wear. Place the cushion under your nose and insert just the cushion tips into your nostrils. Hold the cushion in place while you position the frame, and pull the headgear over the back of your head. Peel the headgear tabs away from the fabric strap. Adjust the length of the straps evenly until the mask feels pleasantly snug. Press the tabs back against the fabric to reattach. Do not over-tighten. When properly positioned, the elbow should sit at the top of your head, and the mask should rest comfortably below your nose. Now, connect the tubing to the quick release on the elbow. Lie down and turn on your CPAP device. Breathe normally through your nose and turn your head from side to side. Some air leaking is normal, but if you feel an excessive leak that could disturb your sleep, pull the mask away from your face and gently set it back into place. Continue to try out different sleeping positions until you feel comfortable with your mask fit. To remove the mask, pull the cushion forward away from your nose and lift the mask up over the top of your head.